Imagine waking up thirsty, your throat dry, craving a sip of cool water. You turn on the tap and salt water gushes out. Even the rain tastes salty. Every drop of fresh water on Earth is gone. Sounds impossible, right? Yet this thought experiment reveals just how fragile life is when it comes to fresh water. Let's explore what would really happen to humans, animals, and the planet if salt water were our only option. 1. Why fresh water is life? Earth is the blue planet, but over 97% of its water is salt water. Only 3% is fresh, and less than 1% is drinkable. That tiny fraction keeps 8 billion people alive, fuels agriculture, and sustains entire ecosystems. Without it, civilization would collapse. 2. The first sip. Desperate, you drink seawater. The taste is unbearable, but the real danger comes later. Seawater contains about 3.5% salt, too much for the human body. Your kidneys can only expel salt through urine that's less salty than seawater, meaning you lose more water than you gain. You become thirstier, your mouth dries out, and your cells shrink as dehydration sets in. Drinking seawater doesn't save you. It kills you faster. 3. The science of salt overload. Too much salt in the bloodstream causes hypernatremia, a dangerous condition where cells lose water and organs begin to fail. Your brain swells, muscles cramp, and you may hallucinate. Within 3 to 5 days of drinking only salt water, the human body would shut down completely. 4. A world without fresh water. Now imagine everyone on Earth facing the same fate. Rivers dry up, lakes vanish, and melting ice caps add more salt to the seas. Crops die, animals perish, and famine spreads. Humanity would become nomadic, searching for the one thing that no longer exists: fresh water. 5. Ocean life takes over. While land species collapse, ocean creatures thrive. Sharks, jellyfish, and coral reefs would dominate a planet ruled by the sea. Humanity's age would end, replaced by the reign of marine life. 6. Could humans adapt? Some animals already drink salt water. Seagulls and turtles have glands that remove salt from their bodies, and whales stay hydrated through the food they eat. Humans lack these abilities, but imagine if evolution or genetic engineering changed that. If we developed salt-filtering glands or super kidneys. Survival might depend on reprogramming our own biology. 7. The desalination revolution. Our only hope would be desalination, turning salt water into drinkable water. Countries like Saudi Arabia and Israel already rely on it, but it's energy-intensive and expensive. If the whole world depended on desalination, electricity would become as valuable as water. Cities would fight for resources, and power plants would run non-stop. Water would truly become blue gold. 8. Water as the new currency. In this world, fresh water would replace money. A bottle could buy food, a gallon could pay rent. Wars would erupt over rivers and underground springs. Nations with desalination plants would rise as new superpowers, while the rest would crumble in thirst. 9. Engineering a new humanity. Desperate scientists might use CRISPR to modify human DNA, creating people capable of filtering salt like seabirds. Babies born with enhanced kidneys could survive where others couldn't. It's a haunting vision. Evolution by necessity, not nature. 10. A society built on salt. Cities would move to coastlines, powered by desalination and guarded by water laws. Every home would have filters, collectors, and rations. Schools would teach water management as the most important subject. Fresh water would become sacred, rationed, protected, and worshipped. 11. Nature's clues to survival. Nature offers hints of hope. Halophytes, plants that thrive in salty soil, could inspire new crops. Algae and seaweed filters might one day purify seawater naturally. With the right innovation, life could adapt to the salt. 12. The hidden lesson. This what-if isn't just fiction, it's a warning. Even today, millions live without reliable access to clean water. Rivers are drying up and pollution is worsening. By 2050, half of humanity may face water scarcity. If we don't act now, this imagined crisis could become real. 13. Hope isn't lost. Technology is evolving fast. Solar-powered desalination, water recycling, and air-based water collectors are emerging solutions. Protecting fresh water is still possible if we start valuing it now. Saltwater reminds us that not everything endless is safe to waste. Instead of asking, what if we could only drink salt water? Ask, what can we do to make sure we never have to? By protecting rivers, recycling water, and using smarter tech, we can secure a future where no one dies of thirst, where oceans stay oceans, and fresh water remains life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more thought-provoking science stories.